Good morning. Happy Friday. All right. Well, I had a rough week. Down 3 days, up 1 day. So down 400 for the week. Let's see. Right here. Well, actually down 600. So 49, 417. Had a rough day yesterday. Went down to 40. Went back to break even and then went down to 50. So got chopped up in the mess before the real move happened. And bummer. So let's see what we do today. What are we looking at here? Overnight Asian session. We ranged pretty good. Okay. So, and then we made a big push down in the London session. And right now we're on our retracement up. And then we're about to start in 3 minutes the New York session. So right now everything says downside to take out this low. But we do know that when looks and everything looks to go one way, there's a good chance it's probably going the other. So I'm going to be a little bit careful this morning and see what happens with the shakeout. We do have news at, it looks like 8:15. So we might mess around this morning. I might mess around this morning. Get a little music going while we wait. All right, let's see what happens. Fridays are always tough. I would say let's not give back our profits, but we've sort of got our butts kicked this week, so it would be great if this went up into this zone and started moving away. This could give us this finishing move down here, this leg, and keep moving. This continuation. Difficult part is the Asian session happened without really much trickiness, right? Like we had a down move, up move, continuation. Yeah, let's see if we look at our weekly candle. Our weekly candle is down. So we had down week last week, down week this week. This is a pretty good push coming into this zone here. So our 1 day structure for this guy right here pushed up, making the higher high. So we could get a move back out, or we could get continuation. What's our daily say? Yeah. Oh, here we go. There's our opening. Daily says the same thing. We're on our way down, but we're getting a little pressure to the down that side. Yeah. All right. We'll get our 15-minute here. Do you think we hit this and start moving away? If we start moving away and then come back, we might It's a lot of volume heading into that zone, though. Got this trend line, right? Where this trend line break, there's going to be a lot of people selling this right here because of this break. This is the shakeout, right? Like we have our trend line folks here thinking we're going to keep continuation. We've got our smart money folks with the taking the liquidity, coming up, hitting this, coming down. So we got two folks thinking that we're going to go down. And then we've got these guys took this liquidity, went higher. So this is just a structure high. So we'll see. Could have got a good little scalp off of this because we might come back down into this zone here. All right. Right. Still trapped between this zone. Not getting much here. We got to push out. We still have this leg right here that broke this high, right? So low, high. We're coming back into this zone, and it could come back out and make a new high. So this is the kind of where I'm a little apprehensive to take short because we haven't actually broke structure yet. Push down, continuation, right? I'd like to see is this to go over this 8, come back, hold on the 8, and keep going higher. That would be ultimately an amazing move because we might get all the way to the London session high. But we are kind of stuck in this like low volume node here. So my goodness, this is so confusing on a Friday. I'm gonna figure out who is gonna take control. Interesting thing is our tick is staying below 0, so this pressure is to the downside. Our VIX has made structure held on the 8 and starting to move away. Our advanced decline line is got pressure to the downside, and so does our vol. But our, again, another day this week where our advanced decline line is down below this little red number here. So this was the trade right here, but it was too early. It was way confusing. All right, sorry, this was the trade right here. So right here, like, here's our structure. If we break structure and then come up, we might be heading down again. So let's wait for this 15-minute candle to close, and then we'll see what the next 15-minute candle does. There we go. We just broke the low. So our structure did just break to the downside. Let's see if we can get a good push back up, and then no. I guess this is more like our right there. So we actually didn't break the low. So interesting. If we start pushing out, we might be taking it to the top. There's a lot of downside pressure though. All these trend line folks right here pushing out, trying to think, oh, we broke the trend line, higher, down. Now we just rip to the upside. I'd see that happen too. Let's see if we can break above the 8, come back, settle on it, and then start moving away, and we might jump in on that play. Nope, just broke it. So we break this guy down to here. Like, we've got this trend line. This could be the inducement of the day, bringing everyone into the cells. And then as we start to move around, settle on the 8 and go higher. So we just took out this liquidity here. We could come down here. Yeah. All right, so we did break this guy. I'm still thinking this could be an inducement down because we've got this nice little trend line happening here. Bring it down, get everyone sucked in, and then all the way to the top. Take out the upper. Or we could just keep continuing. Who knows? Our VIX is sort of breaking to the upside, but still running into some topping tails, so we're not getting clear like movement out. All right, let's see if we can get a push up, settle on the 8, and start moving away. You need to make a little bit of a no, we can't take a buy play until we break this structure up here. Now, if we break this structure down here, then we can't take it until we break that structure. So we've got a little bit of waiting to do. I mean, we could keep going down because this could be the target. London low. No, we just took the low of the 15-minute candle and setting back inside, so let's see if this little bitty inducement brings us above. If it does, we might have changed control here to our buyers. Oh yeah, here we go. See if we can get an up move, a down, and then we'll get in to the upside. Here we go. He just broke. Oh, almost broke this high. Let's see if we break this high. We break this high, and then we come back. We get in down here somewhere. Here we go. We just broke. Cleanly breaking structure to the upside now. See if we can pull back. So what would we like to see here? I would like to see this come back to this zone right here and then move out to the upside. We might get a like a to the upside, but we just broke this structure after this little trap, right? Like everything's coming down, we come up, we just peek underneath, and then bam, we just zoomed it back up to the top side. So now I want to see this like dirt, 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 and then move away. See if it happens. Because this was our low here, right? Now we've got this little guy here. Peek under and then peek back above. And then, like, as this comes in, this right here be my invalidation, right? This comes in and I buy in here somewhere. And then as soon as it closes under this, I'm out. All right, I think we're right here on this 8. So let's do a buy. And then this is going to be my out. So if we make it all the way down to here, I'll be out. But I'm really looking for that upside move. Let's see if we can get a good push to the upside. Come on, break. We can break structure. I'm going to get the break even. Come on, up here. Go, 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 go. If this doesn't go, I'm out. I just need it to go. Just come on, break that high. Break the high. The high, break the high. Go. Bummer. Give me some follow through for the love. Come on, give me some pop. Damn it. Well, that's good pop. I like it. I really like this to keep going and not stall out. That would be fantastic. I should just jump out here and take my profit, but I am probably going to go all the way back to break even because I'm an idiot. Or maybe, hell, well, maybe we can just go right down to the minus 250 and just call it a week at getting my ass kicked. Man, I was up $100 and I'm about to take a minus 30 because I'm an idiot. Look at this crap. Should have taken the $100. God, I'm a moron. I get 50 points and don't take it. Such an idiot. Look at that. Inducement down. See if we can make this low since we got this inducement here. So it went up, induced me, obviously took me out, and now we're breaking this low. Is this an inducement to go back to the high, or are we going to break this low? We might break this low. Of course. Of course. Yep. Let's go back. Let's go back to the top. So freaking dumb. I'm such an idiot. Why do I do this? Why do I put myself through this crap? We're about to go down 60. Well, actually, we're about to go down 100. Well, folks, we're about to do our minus 250 again today. On stream, too. I love it. All right, at least we got a little bit of action today. Look at that. Revenge trade. Didn't get it. Didn't get it. Didn't get it. It's going to take me out. All right, I'm actually gonna jump out until I find something cleaner. God. Oh, we gonna do a fake, double fake, triple fake? Do the triple fake. What a rough week. Gosh, man. All right. See if we can come back to here and then make another high, right? Because we made higher high. Sorry, higher high, higher low, higher high. We need a higher low, higher high. Get this right here. Getting some ranging happen. So we got a down move, an up move, a down move. I'm not sure what's happening here. I feel like we're gonna go make that new high, but I need it to start breaking some. Bummer. Come on, push to the high. Come on, buyers, push in. Come on, push up. Come on, buyers. What is happening right now? Like, come on. All right, I'm out for a while. I gotta calm myself because right now I'm getting pissed. The last week has been stupid. Like, look at this freaking price action on the open of the freaking New York session. Like, let's just stack a bunch of 15-minute candles on top of each other and shake people out. Like, it's so stupid. And I shouldn't have been in a buy on that anyway, because look at that. They're all closing under that 8. Such a moron. Alright, how much room do I got? I got 25 whole dollars, folks. Looks like we're gonna... let's just get this and get wrecked. Call it a day. Stop our stream, go live our life. There we go. All right, I'm out. Everyone have a fantastic day. Hope you're doing better than me. Down $750 this week. Let's do it again next week because failed trading, folks, at least.